Yeah, so basically what I'm talking about is culture and biology A, that is not a plane, that is something that goes both ways. So it is always in the question of like it is always in their nature to question their existence. Even scientific things like biology and everything. That can always be questioned. So there is nothing that is artificial is what I'm like. I have a problem with the word artificial because everything attains some kind of an existence, some kind of a truth to it.
So, uh, I'll just brief you up with some points from the last chapter. All right. So this is basically this opening paragraph to this new chapter. All right. It's called the arrow of time, or how time progresses. All right. And the last chapter was the agricultural revolution. So he was basically talking about how we were a society of these farmers. All right. How we started off with farming, like
Yeah, feudal society basically.
no, not even feudal society, but even like how did we exactly start? How did we exactly start with agriculture in itself? Like we were foragers, right? Just going on from one place to another, grabbing, eating whatever forages that we had, and how did we end up? And he describes it in a way that uh, he just says that we thought that we were the owners of the farms, and uh, but the thing was that these farms they owned us because they had to be cared about, they had to be taken care of, they had pests had to be removed and shit like that. Alright, so he starts off with this, then he moves towards these different things. Alright, like he talks about this. There was this one guy who came up with this. Did I tell you about it? There was this one guy who came up with these 12 or some commandments, or that guy, like he
Martin Luther, Ten
no, no, no,
Commandments.
no, 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 not Martin Luther. Like he's talking about like some some thousand BC. All right.
I'm so happy that the same hands that you're smoking the joints with you, just scratching your balls with it just now.
I wasn't.
You were.
I wasn't.
You were scratching your
I
crotch.
wasn't.
You were.
I wasn't.
You had your hands
My
inside your.
hands were here, alright, on my fucking tummy already.
Alright, tummy hair. Yeah, tell me. One guy who had some commandments.
Yeah, so that guy basically divided the society into three people. Right? See this, it's doing this,
Nina? No,
doing
it was
this,
Niche.
this.
Yeah, it was your.
Yeah, yeah.
This is tummy.
This is not. This is just crotch, man.
Yeah, it's crotch.
Not my fucking balls or something.
Okay, crotch hair.
Way above crotch.
Huh?
Above crotch, and I
No,
don't
this is
know.
crotch. This is crotch.
Fuck it. Yeah. So there was this guy who came up with these, I don't know, commandments of sorts or something, that he just declared, like he created these three class distinctions. All right, men, women, and slaves.
Yeah, you told me
All right,
about this.
and people were to be punished, like that entire thing that he came up with. People were to be punished according to it. All right, and uh, there were different punishments for all three for different crimes. All right, and that's so uh, then he talks about that how people actually believed in it at some point of time, because that guy he just declared that God himself came to me and told me this, and and he was the king, and so people started believing him. All right, and that's how people believe. Then he moves on to that right now, that if we think about it, how it just feels that it I don't know, that it's a very uh, like how did people believe in some shit like this, or how did people uh, believe in anything like this? And then he talks about the constitution. All right, how it talks about equality, while biologically none of us are equals. It basically takes up that equality wala criteria from the uh, Christianity, that humans are created equals, and they are all equal before God, except slaves, except fucking slaves. All right, slaves are not equal. Slaves are to be tortured, and like you can do whatever the fuck you want with slaves.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Mm.
And how we still follow our constitution every day. We are still following, and all these laws that we created at the end of the day. All right, and
Mm-hmm.
most of these things that we think about, all right, that are in our system, like
Mm-hmm.
equality to start with, that we are supposed to be equals, everyone is supposed to be equal, because like where do we get that idea from?
Mm-hmm.
Basically we get it from all the books that we've read, I guess. Maybe some of the real instinct, maybe, but mostly I don't know, out of the books that we have, I don't know, that were forced down upon us
Mm-hmm.
through all these years.
Mm-hmm.
I maybe, and like a combination of both of both of maybe that real instinct and
Don't you think that it's not really about instincts at the end of the day, the way society functions, but it's more like about power completely. Like, if you come down to it, because eventually the people who were all, you know, they were all making all those books or trying to come up with any kind of knowledge, all those people, the fact that it had to go down on somebody else, those people were basically forging down rules in the way that it would benefit them, right?
yeah,
So at the end of the day, it's about power, not
yeah,
really about anything else at all.
yeah. So
Like, you can't really talk about a scientific truth because there's no such
yeah, so
thing. Yeah.
that's what he's talking about, right? All
Mm.
these things that we've come up with,
Mm.
all right,
Mm.
even human rights.
Mm.
At the end of the day, it's us who've dictated them, all right, and it's us humans who follow them, just like that code of whatever the fuck that guy was.
But it's not us humans who have created them. It's about a particular section that thought they were powerful and tried to establish that power.
Yeah,
You can't really homogenize, you know,
but still, isn't
humans in any way.
all right, but still, isn't it a very artificial system that you're made to believe in?
How is it artificial?
How is it not
Like,
artificial?
no, I'm that's again, it's the
S-
same thing. The very definition of artificiality is something that is not real. If you're saying that a system is artificial, then what is it that is real?
Things that are, I don't know, apart from like things, maybe what humans are on a very biological and physical level, except from what they've been forced to perceive over years.
But then, even from a biological level, isn't it human instinct, or isn't it? I mean that chemical reaction or whatever the fuck led to the idea of instinct. Isn't it again a biological truth that human beings aspire towards power, and human beings basically follow the rules of power?
Yeah, but
Then isn't
artificial
power
societies, man.
also a truth?
But artificial societies, man. Where the fuck did power come in from?
Well, that's exactly what I'm saying. That power is also an instinct.
Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
So that's how power came in, and that is how society came to be. So how is it artificial? If power is real, then so is the society that it led to.
That's like, uh,
What you're trying to, I don't know, like, it sounds to me that this guy, what he's trying to, all talk about is establish a certain kind of. I mean, I get what he's trying to get at, to question the nature of everything that goes on in society.
all right.
Alright, but then I don't know. I feel that to base that in the artificial
Let's.
is a loophole. Listen,
I'll
listen, listen.
listen.
It's a
Listen.
loophole because how else do we really
I'll I'll
question
I'll
things?
ease things out for both of us. All right.
Mm-hmm.
What I am saying is that an aquarium. All right. No, but what I am saying is that uh, the sea world. All right.
Mm-hmm.
The entire sea world is fake.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And what you are trying to say is that no. What you are trying to prove here is that an aquarium is fucking real.
No, I'm asking that if
That and
listen, no,
you
no,
are
no, no,
proving
no,
it. You
no.
are proving it like
No.
it's like that. Listen. It's like
Listen to.
listen. You are just stuck in this place, all right, and uh you're just roaming around that idea of what was that pipe thing.
This is not a pipe.
Yeah, this is not a
No,
pipe. You're
that's
that's what you're trying to prove, that if what you see on that paper is not a pipe, then how can a pipe be a pipe?
no, that's not what I'm asking. Listen to me. What you are saying is that a sea world is not real.
Hmm.
What I am saying is that okay, why don't you point me in the direction of where the ocean exists?
What do you mean where the ocean exists?
That if a sea world or an aquarium they're not real things, then where is the actual ocean? I get that these are not real things, but where is the real
So
ocean?
that's what no, that if what you are saying is what that guy is trying to say is alright, that this painting is artificial. This painting of the pipe is artificial, and the pipe that I have is real. What you are trying to say is that if the painting is not real, then how can the pipe be real? How, where am I supposed to be if the even and you what you are asking
No,
me,
I'm saying that
you are
it's
asking me, what you are asking is that point me towards the real pipe if the painting is not real, and if I have what the
no,
pipe that I
I'm
have is
saying
not
that
real.
even the pipe cannot be real because
Yeah,
there is no such thing as
that's what
something
you're
that's real.
that's what you are saying now.
So that is what I'm saying. Like if you are saying that this is not real, I'm
हाँ
just saying that I am saying that nothing is real.
वही तो that's what I'm
हाँ.
saying now. You are saying that not.
So you cannot. But if nothing is real, that means there is a question of reality to everything. I'm trying to get there.
All right.
Good job.
What I have made out from whatever you try to all tell me is that
You're mistaken.
listen,
Hmm.
that's what you are. All right, listen. That guy is saying that there is a painting of the there is the painting of a society on the wall, all right, and then there is the society, all right, and then what you are saying is that if the painting isn't real, then how can the society be real?
No, I'm saying that somebody made
This
the painting, right? Somebody made that depiction of society. What led in the real society for that depiction to be made? As in, like, see, I get what that guy is eventually trying to lead to. That we should question the nature of, institutions and every. Lock the door. Uh, Why? Yeah. What I am saying is that something led to that person, say people in power, lead to that depiction of society, say what we are made to believe that society is, or all institutions and everything. Then what I am saying is that wasn't it a pre existing nature to be in power that made people do it?
maybe.
That does, yeah, right? Then, like, maybe, right? Then isn't it that we should perceive all these systems as something having a question of realness in order to be able to critique them and change them?